How to get Expedia gift card. To buy Expedia gift cards, you have several reliable options. Number 1. Official Expedia website. Visit the official Expedia website, look for the gift card option, usually located on the right side of the page. Choose the desired amount for the gift card and proceed to checkout. Provide your banking details for payment. Number 2. Amazon. Search for Expedia gift cards on Amazon. Choose a reputable vendor selling the gift cards. Enter your correct email address, recipient's name, and a personalized message. Select the number of gift cards you want to buy. Choose the delivery method and provide payment details. Review the order summary and complete the purchase. Number 3. Treatgiftcards.com. Visit treatgiftcards.com. Search for Expedia gift cards and select buy now. Choose the delivery method and provide payment details. Customize the gift card design and include a personalized message. Confirm your order and ensure accurate recipient information for delivery. Number 4. Giftly. Visit giftly.com, search for Expedia gift cards and select the desired amount. Choose the delivery method and provide payment details. Customize the gift card design and include a personalized message. Review the order details including the recipient's name and payment information. Confirm your order and make sure to read the terms and conditions. When buying Expedia gift cards, ensure you're using reputable platforms to avoid scams. So there were some easy steps how you can get Expedia gift cards. Thanks for watching.